The aftershocks of BJP's Bihar debacle are still being felt. Sources have told NDTV the BJP elders who've revolted against the leadership are not satisfied with the party's statement and want a dialogue instead. Yesterday, the party elders had launched an all-out attack on Prime Minister Modi and BJP's top leadership, saying the party had been emasculated. Senior leader Nitin Gadkari says action should be taken against these party elders for indiscipline.
जब 4 स्टेट हमने एक समय गवा दिए थे, तब भी हमने किसी एक व्यक्ति को उसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं माना था और इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह हमारे अध्यक्ष, इनको इसके लिए जिम्मेदार मानना उचित नहीं होगा। बयान देते समय अगर कोई गैर जिम्मेदार बयान देते हैं तो उनके बारे में भी पार्टी को कठोर भूमिका अदा करनी होगी।
लोग का हिंदी में कहावत है कि बात से बात बनती है और बात से बात बिगड़ती है। हो सकता है ये भी कि कहीं न कहीं इस तरह की कुछ बातें जुबान से निकल गई होंगे, जिसका वहाँ के लोगों के सामाजिक दृष्टिकोण से या सांस्कृतिक दृष्टिकोण से उसका कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा, तो उसका असर हुआ होगा।
The war within the BJP continues over who is responsible for the Bihar battle loss. Those who were relegated to the sidelines by the rise of Modi-Shah duo kept up the fire, while those in power kept up the defense. After BJP veterans L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Shanta Kumar and Yashwant Sinha dropped the revolt bomb yesterday.
Of course, after that statement, this statement had come from the three former presidents of the BJP, saying that they are very much seized of the issues, both the defeat in Bihar and Delhi, and this would be discussed in various forums. Veterans of the party, in fact, Mr. Advani, the founder of the party himself, asking for a dialogue and in fact asking that accountability be fixed for what really happened in Bihar.
बिहार के हार का सही विश्लेषण किया जाए, उसके क्या कारण है, उसकी जांच पड़ताल ठीक ढंग से हो। हम इस सुझाव को हृदय से स्वीकार करते हैं। वह प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ हो गई है।
The sideline veterans and their loyalists, sensing the opportunity to weaken the Modi-Shah duo's grip over the party and the government, are refusing to silence their guns.
बुजुर्ग नेताओं ने, हमारे बड़े नेता हैं, हमारे गार्जियन हैं और उनके लिए तो हमारे अभी माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी, माननीय वेंकैया जी, माननीय गडकरी जी ने जो चिट्ठी लिखा है, हम उससे अच्छा सहमत हैं।
The rebels are aggressively trying to create a situation in which Amit Shah takes the blame for the Bihar loss to shield Modi, thus weakening his claim for a second term as president, knowing well that Prime Minister Modi's clout would be reduced if Amit Shah was not the president. The RSS is refusing to intervene right now. That's why the Modi-Shah camp is right now forced to play safe, wishing with time the rebellion would lose its sting.
Elders really expect that, phone call from the party's top leadership and invite them for a dialogue. In case that doesn't happen, only then they will decide their next course of action. But sources close to BJP elders told us that they will not be satisfied merely with the issuing of a statement.
With Sandeep Phukan in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.